What's going on, YouTube world? Look at this. It's February and look at the skies. You know what that means. Currently no bike. I need a helmet. Got a helmet. Right, we got a helmet, we got a bike. Let's hit the roads. Kid blocking his ears. Sorry, baffles out. So, I forgot to talk while riding, bloody hell. I haven't rode in so long, I've forgotten how to vlog. So, I haven't been out, clearly because the weather's been shit. Storm, Ernest or Doris, or whatever random name they've picked. All my bike riders today, I know everybody's out with the sun being out. So let's see how many bike riders we come across, especially with this weather. Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. Ruroc Atlas 3.0, Ruroc Atlas 4.0 is currently out. Now, I was going to do a video on it, but real life happened and I couldn't. So, we can have a chat about that today for my Ruroc fans. Me, 50-50. Is that Brabus? Oh no, it's not a Brabus. Looks like it from here. What I want to do is get out of this traffic. Oh, it is a Brabus. I was right. We'll teach that Brabus what a 125 sounds like. So yeah, the Ruroc 4.0 is currently out. And I've been on their website. Prices, again, extremely extortionate. I think you have to do a remortgage to get one of the better looking helmets. I think it's the same price as my carbon, well, gloss carbon one I've got, which is about $450 or $470. Now, £470 for a helmet is not a small amount of money. The big question, would I buy it again? Or would I buy the 4.0? And the answer to that is I would not buy the Ruroc Atlas 4.0. Number one, I don't need it. Number two, more importantly, personally, I don't think they're worth it. Looks wise, amazing. Straight 11 out of 10. Now, apparently they bring out Ruroc helmets every year or every 2 years, something of that nature. Shockwave, amazing piece of kit. run you over. I need my license. What the fuck? Don't know what's happened there. Bike cut off. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention, I passed my theory test, as you all saw in the last video, about 2 weeks ago. And I've officially booked my Mod 1 training and test. That will be commencing shortly. Now what my plan is with the Mod 1 is, I've been on YouTube and I've seen quite a few people, not quite a few people, there's a few videos where people have been allowed to video record their Mod 1 training as well as their actual test day. Naturally, I want to do the same thing for all my bikers that are in the same position as me, or who want some more information on how the situation works, as in the Mod 1, what you have to do, the cost and all that type of stuff involved. I'm going to be going through that in forthcoming videos, the actual procedure, the process, what you have to go through, what you need. I'm excited and I'm gassed to get that process going. Naturally, I want to pass the Mod 1, pass the Mod 2, jump onto a big boy bike. Now I'm looking at a lot of bikes. Every day I am literally doing online internet window shopping at bikes, all types of bikes, all the manufacturers, all the brands, all the styles, going through, seeing what I like, seeing what I don't like, seeing what will suit me. I've even secretly been bike shopping, which no one knows about, just to go and sit on a few bikes. So I went to this one place, I sat on an R6 for the first time, I sat on a Gixxer 750, I sat on a CBR 600, just to see. I literally wanted to go and try them on. I wasn't going to buy one, so I didn't really care about sales and all the rest of it. I just wanted to go and sit on a few bikes and see which one fits me, which one doesn't, because there's no point looking at a Gixxer or whatever bike brand you're looking at and you think, yeah, I want to buy that bike, I want to buy this bike, and then you buy it and they don't even fit you properly. I want to make sure I can flat foot whatever it is. So surprisingly, I was very shocked, I'll be honest. I sat on a 750 Gixxer, looked amazing, and I could flat foot it. This is where things get a bit techie. Sat on the R6, couldn't flat foot it. Put both my knees up on the foot peg. That position is aggressive like no other. So obviously Yamaha bikes, R1s, R6s, that the whole world loves, you're in a very aggressive tucked position, but that is definitely out of the picture. They also had there my dream bike. I don't know if I've mentioned it before. I've gone from not knowing what bikes were to automatically having a dream bike. How have I only been riding for a year and I've already got a dream bike? And my dream bike was there, I sat on it, I saw it and I was like, yeah, instant smiles, so gassed. Now you're probably all thinking, shut the f up, what bike is it? S1000 RR. That's all I'm gonna say. What a bike. So I'm thinking, oh, it's 1000cc. If I sit on it, I'm not gonna fit. Lo and behold, I sat on it and it fit like a glove. How have I sat on a BMW S1K and it fits me? Are you mad? So yeah, for my people who are looking at bikes and they're in the process of looking for bikes, or you want to buy a bike, I'd highly recommend find your nearest showroom, new or second-hand. Personally, I'm obviously going to get a second-hand bike. Go and try some bikes. Go and sit on all the bikes in the showroom, even the ones that you don't really care about or you're not even looking at too tough. Just go and sit on them, see what fits, see what doesn't fit, see what you like, because you might go in there with an idea, right, I want an R1, 100% I want an R1, and then you might go there, sit on an R1 and be like, nah, this ain't for me. That's what happened to me, literally. Hold on a second, let me digress. Talking about R1, so they had an R1M in the showroom as well, brand new R1M. I think it was the 20 plate, so still brand new, second hand. Somebody's trying to get rid of it. Sat on the R1M, carbon fiber everywhere, all over here, all here. The fairings, mad. The bike looked like $1 million. Oh shit then. Oh shit. Gravel everywhere. Let's slow down here. What the hell? So that's what happened on my motorbike. I wouldn't say shopping, because I wasn't shopping for a motorbike until to go and try them all on. That's what happened on my motorbike trip. But let me tell you something. That S1K, yeah boy, unreal, absolutely unreal. Let's indicate, let someone know what we're trying to do. Right, because I'm driving all erratic, I am running out of petrol, so I might as well go and top up. So yeah, moving forward, forthcoming videos, obviously motorbike videos, Mod 1 training, Mod 1 lessons, Mod 1 test hopefully, if they allow for it. Naturally I'm going to ask them, give you guys and myself a better view of the process. Oh, I thought they were going to go into the petrol station then. Where can we go? Well, that clearly works. Actually, let me get off just to make life easier and make sure I've actually got a wallet. Yet I've got a wallet, hand in my pocket, wallet's there. Take that off. That's how that works. And we need diesel. We need V-power diesel. That's what we need for my motorbike. Diesel E10. The new one. Apparently this is bullshit, but whatever. Is this even going to work now? Yeah, it's going to work. Oh, clearly that's working. It's gone everywhere. You know what? I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, mother f***. It's gone everywhere, bro. What the f***? This is the worst petrol fill-up experience ever. That is terrible. Nah, what is happening today? What is actually happening? We fall to the brim. No point trying to not get it on the tank now. It's gone everywhere. So that is £7. Well, half of it's gone on the flipping bike. Cheers. There you go. Say again? Number 4. I didn't even know. Yeah, number 4. Yeah. Nah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Thank you. £7, people. World War III's happening. Petrol prices are going up. There's the bike. That's pissed me off. So have we got any towels here? Ah, there's no towels. Full tank, and I've still got this plastic cover on there, flipping out from day one. So when I get rid of this bike, at some stage obviously I'm going to get rid of it. Whoever the person is, I'm going to let you take that off. Normally I would take that type of stuff off. Mobiles, watches, all of that type of stuff. For some reason with this I never done it. to clean this shit off. Let me get this cleaned up because that's going to do my head in. That is. Just get in the house. Right, let's clean this bad boy. Gone absolutely everywhere. The first time I try out this new tank, and that's what happens. There she is. But in the meantime, in between time, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.